My name is Jason Borth, and I have a wife, Sarah, and 4 kids. We live on a turkey farm. We raise about 3,000 turkeys, and we cash crop about 200 acres. As well, I have a part-time job in the insurance industry as a claims adjuster for farm. And what I do is livestock and farm machinery is what I specialize in. Okay, so it's 10 o'clock in the morning and my BlackBerry goes off, a new claim comes in. Company standard, we try to get a hold of the contact within an hour to make that first call. So I make the first call. If it's a livestock, I like to get out there as soon as possible. Any dead livestock around, we like to get it cleaned up as soon as possible. So if it's entrapment or something, I would go right away, take a look at it, and depending on what the claim would be, we would maybe request that the vet do an autopsy on it, just to get a firm confirmation on what the cause of death was. Farm machinery, if something's broke down, if it's burnt, we just set an appointment up with the client. We always try to work our way around the client, try to make myself as open as possible, let them set the date or time when it suits them to go and meet them. Farm machinery, they take it to their dealership where they want to deal with, and you just basically back it up there and get quotes for what it would cost to repair it, and then just give the go-ahead to repair it as long as everything lines up. And then sometimes it takes 2 or 3 visits back to the farmer before we get things totally finalized and get a proof of loss signed, and then we close the claim. In my role, an average day, every day is a little bit different. Being a part-time job, they pay me as they need me. So if I have claims on the go, I take care of them and give them the attention they need. If they need me, they call me when a new claim comes in with the service or the technology we have nowadays with BlackBerries. They need me, they call me, and we give it the attention it needs. Other than that, then I focus my attention on my farm. I feel I always wanted to help people out. I know in the sales jobs it's a little bit tougher. The claims adjusting job appealed to me as sometimes you're facing people in the worst day of their life in certain circumstances, and I feel it's rewarding to help people out. The biggest characteristic I would say would be a good listener. When we're going out to these claims, we have to make sure we get all the detail. We know that a couple words can make a difference between a positive statement or a negative statement. And listening is very, very important to make sure we gain the whole story of what happened in a claim situation. Getting into the other claims or other positions in the agriculture, what I've known from my turkeys experiences is the processing end of it. There's a lot of jobs that extend from processing, not necessarily working in the factory processing, but there's lots of field jobs. It extends also to the feed companies, which is huge for the poultry industry. And as well, maybe more in depth is large livestock animal vets seem to be getting to be more of a dying breed all the time. So that would be more of the high-end scale if somebody's looking for something like that. Definitely the farm background is a big bonus for me. It's not a benefit or not available to all students, I guess. That's what I feel has helped me out the most is my learning the background. The insurance field we can teach you, but the farming and the different commodities changing all the time seems to be tough to keep up with. And again, my background in agriculture has been a bonus, so anybody that has that background, we can build on that for sure. The other end of it, a lot of these farms nowadays are getting bigger. There's more labor out there. It wouldn't be hard to find a job if you want to go milk cows or in hog farms. There are kids out there, there are farmers out there looking to hire people, students. That will tell you if it's up your alley or not, and get your foot in the door there. So.